All right, today we're going to bring an LED mouse pad. So right now, currently it's a type C to type A. We directly connect it to our desktop here. We're going to download the app right now, completely down. Make sure you get it for Windows or Apple if you have Apple. So right now we currently have it for Windows. We're going to download it. So we're going to set this up and set up the tone. So when you turn on the mouse pad, you got to make sure you teach the system by doing tests, all right? By dragging either or to see where the actual light manipulates in, all right? So you have to teach it if it's left to right or right to left, all right? So that's one important thing when you actually start the actual system. And in working status, when turned on or when turned off, you can change the brightness and also more effects in here. So right now, currently, we have it as a sync with screen, but you could do music, you do colorful, and when you do colors, this is what happens when you do colors. So when you change them, it changes to manipulates to different rainbow colors, and then you can always do single color. So we're going to do a single color here, single color. You guys can see that, and this is a single color. Now we're going to do the other one where it says marquise. Marquise will be more like all around the whole system, but you can change the color if you want. So we're going to do colorful, if you guys can see, because this is the most beautiful thing. But if you're playing games and you get immersive, I would highly recommend you put the sync feature. It syncs up with the game, whatever you have on. But in order to have this feature, you have to have the application running in the background. That's a mandatory thing to make this whole thing work. So out of the box, you could set it up and set up startup optional. But once you have this system sync with the mouse pad, you're gonna love it like I do. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Look at this lighting effect. It matches. Look at the mouse effect. The same thing that matches here. It's matching on the mouse effect, and it's changing red. You see that? And then it changes all the way over here. It goes to the other corner. So whatever you're playing, manipulating in the monitor, it's also making changes right here. Look at that beautiful colors that it has. Brilliant. So it's immersive with the actual monitor and the actual mouse pad. So not just a LED light, just a regular LED light, but a lot of effects you get on it. Look at this thing. You can see it running. Look at that. There's an effect right there.